Right then, welcome to Happy Hungry Hippie. What we're going to cover this week is another absolutely fantastic recipe from the new Ottolenghi Comfort Cookbook. I've been cooking lots of recipes from this. Some of the side dishes are absolutely amazing too, and that's what I'm going to do. So this is a Christmas special for a really easy sort of recipe side dish for Brussels sprouts. Now Brussels sprouts are notoriously like Marmite, you either love them or you hate them. Sprouts are often done wrong and really kind of like ruined because there's a bit of a science behind cooking Brussels sprouts. Now if you actually boil them through and through, you're not releasing those really umami sort of notes, and you just get the very bitterness which Brussels sprouts are notoriously known for. In a bad way, what the actual secret for it is actually to char them. Now I've actually covered some recipes before, so do check that out. I'll put a link there. What is the best Brussels sprouts recipe? Looked at the top 10 from The Guardian. That's a really good insight. And then actually covered a different recipe that year. But this year, yes, I do want to cover something from this cookbook, and this is going to be the charred Brussels sprout. I'm going to actually give this a little twist, so it's going to packed with herbs, and I'm actually going to use fresh lemon, but also preserved lemon as well, which is the absolute secret ingredient for this. So it'd be really interesting to know what your favourite Brussels sprouts recipe is. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Are you not really too bothered about them? Please do put your comments below regarding that. It'd be really interesting to listen and hear about. So I'm actually also halving this recipe because you don't really need to serve 6, it's just really need to do 4. So the key ingredients you need for this: your Brussels sprouts, nice and fresh, a onion, a fresh lemon, some preserved lemons, in this case I'm using these Belazzi ones, really good, spring onions, some fresh garlic, and then also some of herbs, fresh parsley, fresh coriander, frozen dill. I'm also going to use some dried tarragon. So let's get going. And then here we have it, the charred Brussels sprouts. That's really good. I am not kidding you. The lemon, the preserved lemon and the fresh lemon combined with the garlic, the onions, just really complements the charred Brussels sprouts. So here it is, and this is what I'm going to be sharing with my mum and dad, Jenna, and not Harvey, unfortunately, because Harvey can't have onions. So do check out my playlist for other ottolenghi side dishes. I've actually covered quite a few of these now. Also, please do turn on your notifications, bing, every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4:30. Also, please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this. So happy Christmas, everyone. Enjoy. Sorry? It's a wrap.